another video.
Today we're going to talk about the first time I used some Nair. Before we continue with this video, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up by the end of the video because I know you're going to enjoy it. New to my channel, welcome. If you already subscribed, welcome back. Let's get into the video. Okay, so before I started using Nair, I used to shave. I either use a sensitive shave cream or I use something called the Bikini Zone. It's supposed to prevent ingrown hairs and bumps and stuff like that. I noticed when I used to shave that stuff was getting dark, like underarms getting dark, coop getting dark. Ain't no telling what the ass looking like. It was just getting dark. So I'm like, And then I started like getting like razor cuts and stuff like that, and I ain't like that. I'm like, I used to be going through it when I used to be shaving, y'all don't understand. So I started using Nair. Went to the store. You can pick Nair up from any drugstore. You can get it from Walgreens, Walmart, online. Nair is everywhere. Nair hair removal cream. That's what it's called. So yeah, go get it. Mind y'all, and I know I'm not the only one that do this. When you get a product, you do not read the product all the way through. I know sometimes I do not read the products all the way through. It is what it is. It's not is what it is, because that's how you get fucked up. First got some Nair, so I read the details on the bottle. And it was like, you can rub it on the spot, let it sit for a minute, then wipe it off with a rag. I'm like, okay. So let me just put it on everywhere and let it sit. So I put it on my legs because it was hairy. I put it under my arms because it was hairy, and I put it on my pubic area. So mind y'all, I did not read how long it said let it sit. I'm thinking let it sit for 5 minutes and the hair started coming out. I also was thinking like as soon as you put it on there, the hair was supposed to come out. That wasn't the case. Next thing you know, I started burning on my pubic area. So I'm like, oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. I went in the shower, rinsed that shit off so motherfucking fast. I was like, oh my God, that shit was burning. I was like, oh. That shit was burning so fucking bad. Then I just rinsed off. I rinsed off my legs. After that, I rinsed off my underarms after that. After I finished bathing and all that, I went and got to bed. My man, he was trying to do something. And I was like, babe, I'm kind of sleepy, I gotta get up early for work, it's not a good time right now. I'm just tired, Of course, he got upset because he wanted some coop, but I couldn't give it to him because it was burning, like right under my stomach, the pubic area was burning, y'all. My whole cat wasn't burning, but I knew that I wouldn't be able to enjoy sex because the top was burning. So, you know how the hair grow back in like 24 hours. I was like, okay, I'm going to let it grow back. And I'm going to try this again. I went in the bathroom, pulled it out again, read the bottom. I'm like, what am I doing wrong? Why is it burning? So I go, it says, leave on for 3 minutes. Do not exceed 10 minutes. My hair is thick. So I'm thinking the longer you leave it, the more hair come off. But that wasn't the case. That shit was burning. That shit was fucking burning. You know how they say reading is fundamental? Y'all, please fucking read. Please read. I kept trying it over and over, and I got it right. Next thing you know, girl, I was near everything. The butt crack, pubic hair, underarms, legs. I was just bald everywhere, freshly bald. Felt so good to be bald. When you bald, you just feel so fresh. If you're thinking about trying this, I think it's good. Just make sure you read. But I think it's a good product to try if you use it right. And you won't get any bumps. I highly recommend you can use this. If you have sensitive skin like I do, They have a sensitive one, so you can get the sensitive one. Both of them work the same for me, so I use this one. I like to use this one for some reason. The Nair with the softening baby oil, because for some reason everything you do be soft afterwards. So make sure you clean your areas before you add the Nair. Clean it, wash it, and then pat it dry, whether it's your underarms, your vagina, or whatever. Pat it dry and then use it, because it works better when the hair is dry. It works better when it's dry, because if you try to do it while it's wet, it doesn't work. It's good, at least not for me. So just make sure once you finish washing the area, pat it dry, and then use the Nair, and then bathe again, because this shit stink. It really do stink. It really do. And you're supposed to be bathing anyways after you done got the hair off. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy my little mini story time. More videos coming soon. Make sure you follow me on my social media. Until we meet again.